case diary?
Actually, petitioner was on interim that was granted on 23/01/25, and statement of the petitioner was supposed to be recorded, but that is not up to date.
Then twice he went to the police station.
And then why it has not been recorded?
My lord, after police, I don't know why.
No, what they say to your client, in fact, police
My
officer.
lord, I got instruction. He went twice.
No,
Even
he went twice. For what reason?
First time, my lord, he remained there 6 hours. 6 hours. The
No, but
police-
the reason why his statement is not
My lord, how
recorded?
my client can say, my lord, it is after police, my lord. Why they have not?
He was waiting there.
Yes.
Let us give us a chance for sure, produce.
Is there any note from the IO there?
Lordship, he was at large, I think, Lordship.
Pardon?
He was at large. He was not found in his house, Lordship. After getting interim, perhaps no just orders.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
After getting a dream, is there any note from the IO that he
No,
appeared or
Lordship.
due to some reasons
No,
his statement
no,
could not be
Lordship.
recorded? It's not there.
Only one thing that still he is not found in his house.
And the interim order is available in the case diary? No. Interim order was granted on 23/1/2025.
Lordship.
23 January, yes.
23/1.
Yes.
So perhaps it is not there. Lordship.
It's not there. No?
Thereafter also, Lord.
No. Have you produced the
Yes. My
copy,
lord,
certified copy of the order?
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, your lordship, by order dated 21 February 25, again, your lordship directed and obtained certified, my lord, on 4/3. This is the photo state of the certified copy, and he produced there.
Okay. So your case diary is updated till when?
Lordship. it
Last
was-
entry?
Last, it was 22/05. Lordship.
22/05/2025.
Yes. Perhaps it is wrongly written, or I don't know, Lordship, because just a police IO's remark is that Bharatlal Chand Chauhanok বিচাৰি যোৱাও যদিও তেওঁ বৰ্তমান ঘৰত নথকা মতে পৰিয়ালৰ সদস্য জানিব দিয়ে. So what is this?
What is this then?
I don't find any reason, Lordship.
Oh.
He cultivator, he are also, he is having his house and paddy field, etc. Sugarcane cultivator.
Paddy field?
Yes, the
Means-
paddy and sugarcane he cultivates.
Lordship, can you give us a shortage?
He is a cultivator.
Yes.
So then what is problem? Mani, what do you want to say? Then being a cultivator, what is his problem? I don't know. Could not follow you.
I don't know why IO, my lord, not found. I don't know, my lord, because twice, my lord.
That
And
remark is there, Lordship. Yes.
heard Mr. S. Chauhan, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS S.H. Bora, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, not again, like your CD receipt, but it is submitted by MS Bora that the statement of the present petitioner is not available in the case diary, though the petitioner was granted with the interim protection on 23/01/2025. She further submitted that the last entry in the case diary was on 20/05, sorry,
22/05/20.
22/05/2025.
Yes, Lordship.
2025, but as per the note of the IO, the accused petitioner was not available in his house when he was searched for. Next, on the other hand, Mr. Chauhan, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail on 23/01/2025, the petitioner had approached the IO for recording his statement in 2 occasions, but even after several hours of his waiting, his statement was not recorded by the IO. Full stop. Further, he submitted that the petitioner also obtained the certified copy of order dated 21/02/2025, which was, and with the said order also, the petitioner approached the IO, but in spite of his approach before the IO on 3 occasions, the statement of the accused is not recorded by the IO. Next, considering this submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, the IO is hereby directed to record the statement of the present petitioner or petitioner if necessary in connection with this case on or before next date of listing, and the petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the IO within 7 days from the date of order to record his statement and to cooperate in the investigation of this case. Post up, the IO is further directed to record his statement on his appearance before the police station and also to do the needful to record his statement accordingly. Full stop. Case diary be returned accordingly, calling for the updated case diary along with a statement of the petitioner if recorded, if accordingly recorded. Post. When can be given? After vacation. After vacation, any date? 16/7.
My lord, your lordship were directed within 7 days. My lord, we have 2-3 days required to get certified. My lord, it will be 15 days, my lord. In place of
No,
7
10
days.
days. 10 days. We're giving you 10 days.
Yes.
16/7.
The next item to.
Right, Ms. Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, this petition is modification of order, Lordship. You kindly see the order, last page, Lordship, is some condition number 3, Lordship. That the petitioner shall submit their Aadhaar card and PAN card, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, petitioner had not the Aadhaar card, applicant number 1. Instead of
Applicant
Aadhaar
number
card-
1, he doesn't
Yes,
have the
yes.
Aadhaar card.
Yes, Lordship, I have stated the para 3, Lordship, page
Mm.
4. Applicant number 1 is not having his Aadhaar card and the applicant number 2 is not having Aadhaar card and PAN card, Lordship.
Mm.
As such, it is prayed before Honorable Court allow applicant number 1 to submit his voter card instead of Aadhaar card, Lordship.
Mm.
And applicant number 2 submit his voter card instead of Aadhaar card and certificate of village headman instead of PAN card, Lordship. This is the prayer,
Yes.
Lordship.
And then we?
Lordship, I'm not getting it.
No, we cannot allow your petition. Because these are the documents from where we want to, procure the attendance of the accused. So that because these are the case of, what kind of case? NDPS.
Lordship.
So the probability of
So if
absconding
there
is,
is a petitioner from the Meghalaya, Lordship, there is not mandatory Aadhaar card. Voter card is each and every person have, Lordship. Voter ID is there is not mandatory. That for that reason,
but Aadhaar card is applicable everywhere in India.
yes, Lordship, but
It
that
is, it
petitioner
cannot be
were not
that
aware.
Meghalaya is not having
Yes,
Aadhaar card.
Lordship, I know, Lordship, but they have stated like that, Lordship, they are not aware regarding Aadhaar card, Lordship, that much. For that reason.
No.
Till that they are behind the 10, Lordship, order dated is in the month of the May.
Mm. Try to get someone or try to convince the learned trial court below. Then you can approach that we don't have any such, so it can it be?
Had
regarding the High Court or this condition putting like that, we cannot enter further.
No, such condition cannot be waived.
Yes, because.
Because
condition
we
number
are the
three, Lordship,
condition
that is
put
a
them-
mandatory condition. now.
Pardon?
The condition number 3, Lordship, at page 50. That the petitioner.
These are the
cannot-
mandatory,
Yes.
mandatory. The person from Meghalaya, person from Bihar or wherever, these two, we have made it mandatory because otherwise you cannot get the attendance of these kind
Aadhaar
of.
code and
thing.
PAN card that is applicable in all over.
Yeah, all over India, all over India. Submission is not,
Voter ID card and PAN card there also.
Aadhaar card is mandatory nowadays.
it's a mandatory now. See, try to get it somehow, because that condition cannot be modified or altered. Hard MS, or Mr. MS? R. Rangmai, the counsel for the petition. Petitioners, you can. This is an interlocutory application. This is an interlocutory application. Filed for modification of order dated 09/05/2025, passed in BA number 1275/2025, especially the condition number 3, whereby the petitioners were asked to submit their Aadhaar card and PAN card before the Learned Special Judge Sri Bhumi while submitting their bail bond. Poster. Next para. It is submitted by MS Rangmai that the petitioner number 1, though has his Aadhaar card he has.
Yes, yes.
Petitioner number 1 has the Aadhaar card, but he do not have the PAN card, and hence instead of PAN card, he may be allowed to produce his voter ID. And the petitioner number 2 does not have neither the Aadhaar card nor the PAN card, and for which modifying the condition number 3, he may be allowed to submit his voter ID and his certificate of Gaumura. Next paragraph. After hearing this submission made by Learned Counsel for both sides, I find that the said condition was the condition number 3 was given only to procure the attendance of the petitioner, because as both the petitioners are resident of Meghalaya. Accordingly, I do not find it proper or justified to make any alteration or modification of the bail order dated so and so, passed in bail application number so and so as paid for. Accordingly, the present petition for modification stands cancelled. Dismissed. Okay.